We all want to breathe clean air, and we all want clean oceans. But it's complicated. With the scale of pollution and climate change, it's easy to feel we have no control. I'm here to tell you that you can make an impact by helping us tackle a major source of pollution in our air and oceans: tires. I'm Gunnlaugur Erlendsson, founder and CEO of ENSO. Our mission is to massively reduce air pollution in our cities, microplastic pollution in our oceans, and help stop climate change with better tires for electric vehicles. When I started in the automotive industry over a decade ago, what surprised me the most was the impact of the tires we use. Tires are the next big environmental scandal that nobody is talking about. Tires are largely made from fossil fuels, which constantly wear down, and as this happens, they emit billions of particles. The effect of these particles is huge. More particulate air pollution that we breathe every day comes from tires than all tailpipes combined. These particles don't break down. They stay in the environment, with many ending up in our oceans, where they are responsible for over a quarter of all primary microplastic pollution. Then, at the end of their short life, most tires are incinerated, collectively emitting billions of tons of CO2, accelerating climate change. But perhaps the most surprising thing about tire pollution is that most electric vehicles emit even more of it. Because of their large batteries, electric vehicles are heavier, and electric motors exert more torque compared with vehicles with internal combustion engines. It's simple physics. More weight, more torque means more friction and more tire pollution. So while electric vehicles are our future, unless we solve the problem of tire pollution, it'll go from bad to worse.
This is why ENSO is developing more energy efficient, sustainable and durable tires for electric vehicles. Bio-based, low-carbon raw materials with advanced chemistry and engineering techniques. ENSO tires have been designed to be more durable, so they emit less tire pollution in our air and oceans. They are also designed to be more efficient, using less energy and therefore emitting less carbon. Our tires were recently awarded A energy efficiency ratings in Germany, extending electric vehicle range compared with other market-leading energy-efficient tires.
ENSO will operate a completely new and unique service with a direct-to-customer pay-per-mile model. This allows us to bypass legacy distribution to serve EV car makers, fleets, and individuals directly at a competitive price. Importantly, charging our customers per mile based on the distance they drive, rather than the tyres themselves, shifts incentives away from cheap, short life tyres towards longer life, lower polluting tyres.
We're proud to announce we have recently secured funding from the UK Future Fund, ahead of our commercial rollout this year in the United Kingdom, Europe, and North America. Now we're inviting you, the clean tech investing community, who share our passion for electric vehicles and a cleaner future for mobility, to join our movement with our Crowdcube campaign. It is said that a good traveler leaves no tracks, and ENSO can help make us all good travelers, reducing tire pollution and waste, so we can all live and breathe a little easier.